There has been uh, there has been a separation of the processing or the metals companies from the mining companies, and increasingly we have seen in the recent past that Indian companies and Chinese companies are looking to integrate the two again because they like to have the comfort of the resources being available to process. So clearly, there is a unique trend which has been coming out of Asia of integrating the mining piece with the metal processing piece, whereas companies in the past have segregated the two. Uh, this has led to all these interesting acquisitions by the strategic investors out of Asia, and the trend carries on, but is getting impacted by the current stage in the life cycle of mining companies. So it seems, or rather, the commodity cycle which mining companies are facing. So there have been significant write downs. We spoke about this yesterday, and there has been a slowdown in terms of commitment to capex, given that commodity prices have been coming off in the recent past.